ಕುಡ್ಲ ಈಸಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಡ್ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ರೋಗಿಲೆಗಾದು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಲೆಗಾದು ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಕರಿ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ದಿದ್ದೇರು. ಈ ಪೊರ್ತು ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನಿಷ್ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಮುಖಪುಟದ ಅನಾವರಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡಪಾಯಿರು.
Here comes the Spanish version of Ashtanga Hridayam Sutrasthana. There you go.
ಅಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಹೃದಯಂ ಪನ್ಪಿನ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ಪದ್ಧತಿದ ಪುಸ್ತಕನ ಈಸಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದಿಕ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜನಾರ್ದನ್ ವಿ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾರ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಘುರಾಮ್ ವೈಎಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದದು. ಚಿಲಿ ವೇಗದ ಪ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೋ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಕರೀನಾ ಇಂದೇನು ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನಿಷ್ ಭಾಷೆಗೆ ಅನುವಾದಿಸಾದಿರು. ಇಂದು ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನಿಷ್ ಭಾಷೆಡ್ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಕಲ್ಪುನಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಪಠ್ಯ ಪುಸ್ತಕವಾದ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಯಿರುಂಡು. ಈ ಪೊರ್ತು ಪಾತೇರ್ನ ಈಸಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಿವಿ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾರ್ 2023 ಶುರುವಾಯಿನ ಈಸಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದಿಕ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಕರಿ 15 ತಿಂಗೊಳ್ಡು ಭಾರತದ ಪಿದೈದ 150 ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೋಗಿಲೆಗ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಕುಡ್ಲ ಪರಿಸರದ ಸಾರಗಟ್ಲೆದ ರೋಗಿಲೆಗ್ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾದ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯನ್ನು ಒದಗಾದ. ಸಾಂಪ್ರದಾಯಿಕ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ಪದ್ಧತಿಡ್ ರೋಗಿలను ಗುಣಪಡಿಸಾವನಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಜ್ಞಾನನು ಪ್ರಪಂಚಡೊರ್ಮೆ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಲ್ಪುನಿ ಈಸಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆದ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಆದುಂಡು. ಕುಡ್ಲ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪರಿಸರಡ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆದ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆದ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನನು ಪಡೆಯೋಣ ಪಡ ತಿಳಿಪಾಯಿರು.
And coming to the Ayurveda patient and student group from Chile, for many of them this might be the first experience of taking Ayurveda treatments, and somebody might have taken previously also. Whatever may be our life situations, there should be some color and there should be some hope, and we should make all of our efforts to make this life fruitful and meaningful, no matter whatever stage we are in. I hope that you as their Vaidyas, we are just there as a background support, but I come to the rounds, and Sudarshan and Shilpa, everybody will come to the rounds, but at the end of the day they are your patients, and Eva, I hope that you will lead them the right path of healing, not only just to improve their health or improve their symptom or improve one lab reading. I hope that you will lead them in their life. You will help them to find the meaning of their life. Thank you very much for your kind service and grit of taking Ayurveda. I know that in the Europe the rules are a little bit stricter for the Ayurveda practice, and still with all the difficulties and barriers, still they are doing their bit to serve this great science of Ayurveda.
ಒಂದುವೆ ಪೊರ್ತು ವಿಶ್ವ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಗಿನ್ನಿಸ್ ದಾಖಲೆ ಪಡೆದುಪ್ಪುನ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಕಲಾವಿದರು ಪರೀಕ್ಷಿತ್ ನೆಲ್ಯಾಡಿ ಚಿತ್ರಕಲತ ನೇರ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಕೊರ್ದು ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಚರಕನ ಚಿತ್ರಣ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಚಿತ್ರಣ ಮಲ್ದು ತೋಜಾಯಿರು.
This is my first time in India, and I've been astonished. So many wonderful places we have visited, and everybody we have oscillated for many emotions, from surprises, from crying, from happiness, from every kind of emotion. It's been from our heart. So I can express in so many words that I have to be days here talking about this experience.
Way. So now we have more to impact in all their life. So I'm super happy, super grateful for all the teachers, for all the therapies here, all the doctors, because this is a beautiful place with lot of love, because we can see in everyone that all of them, they share all the therapies with love, with patience. So
this big family that we belong also about like this nature, this land, all this magic land. So I think I want to thank you a lot to everyone. Thank you.
Those happy faces, those wonderful words, those smiles on the face tells it all. These are the stories which are created at Easy Ayurveda and will be carried forward. Thank you. So now coming to the next stage of the function. So we have spoken a lot. Let's hear it from our delegates as well. So first of all, I would like to request Jalile Karinaji, founder and CEO, Somos India Academy, Chile, to share her thoughts on this visit to India, and also
We realize with Somos India that our Dharma is to express Ayurveda, to share this, because more people will get to know this beautiful science and will get the benefits also of the Ayurveda. So we will not finish here. We know that we have to continue for a long time, and you are part of our family. You will be with us always, in our heart, in our soul. You mark ourselves in a very profound way. So we are really, really grateful. And we wish that we will walk this path of Ayurveda together with a lot of devotion.